Alright, so I've gone through and I've gone 7 and 8 right here. So I'm just going to work through them for you and hopefully this helps. So what makes these two difficult is that they don't have rules to follow because we're not reflecting it over the x-axis or the y-axis or the y equals x or whatever. So the first thing we want to do, in Big Ideas doesn't allow us to do it, which drives me insane, but we want to reflect this over the line x equals 4. Now the line x equals 4 is right here. Okay, I wish Big Ideas would allow us to like graph that on our homework, but they don't. So there it is right there. Okay, so we don't have rules, so we're just going to have to use this by like the rules of reflection. So if this is straight up and down, what's on the left is going to go to the right. What's on the right is going to move to the left side of this line. So if I look at B here, B is just 1 unit. Hold on, let me get my pen going here. B is just 1 unit from here to the line, so I'm going to go 1 unit on the other side. So this would be my B prime. Okay, my C is 1 to the right, so I'm going to go 1 to the left. This is my C prime. And then my A is 1, 2, 3 to the left, so I'm going to go 1, 2, 3 to the right. So this is my A prime. Oh, that's really bad. And then you just connect the dots. Okay. Now the same thing goes on this one, but here we're reflecting it over the line y equals 3. So the line y equals 3, oops, that didn't work out like I wanted it to. Y equals 3 is right here. Okay, so that's the line y equals 3. So now we have a horizontal line, so what's under it is going to go above it. There's nothing above it, but if it were, it would go under it. And what's on the line is going to stay put on the line. So this E and F, notice it's on the line. So this is also going to be my E prime and my F prime. Okay, so H is 1, 2, 3 below, so it's going to go 1, 2, 3 above. Sorry, I kind of ran out of room. And then my G is 1, 2, 3 below, so it's going to go 1, 2, 3 above. Okay, and then you just connect the dots here. Okay, so hopefully that helps. And if not, let me know, and maybe I can find a different way to explain it to you.